Today we're going to go over how to change your pivot point. So I created a plane and these two little marks, and imagine you want to make a giant clock and you want to change this minute hand. But right now, if we rotate it, it's going to change on its center. And we want this to go around like this, pivoting from here. I want to rotate this based on the pivot point here. So let's see how we can do that. I'm first going to make a right click and create an empty and call it minute hand pivot. And I'm going to go back to this, what we want to change, and then go to inspector, transform, and I'm going to copy its position. Go back to this minute hand pivot and we'll paste the position. Now it's centered. Now it's easier to change the location of it. I'm going to go to move tool and just push it down right here. And now we're going to change this. I'll move this inside of the minute hand pivot so it becomes a child of this pivot point. And over here we're going to change it from the center to pivot. And now we're going to rotate, and you can see that it's moving from the pivot point that we have made. One thing that I want to point out is that you want to click on this, the new pivot item that we made, instead of the cube when you rotate, for this to work. You can see how this is still not working, but if you press this one and rotate, it works.